video where I have what I feel is an exciting update to my white label section on the website. Now, if you weren't aware, I did introduce a white label section to the website a couple of months ago, and this is to help other Australian small businesses either start up their business, grow their business, or even just help out in the silly season like Christmas, Mother's Day, things like that, for helping to fill up gift packs and things like that. The idea behind white label is that I don't label any of the products. I simply make them and then send them out once they've been purchased, and it's up to whoever has purchased them to create the labels and brand them for their own business. It just means that you don't have to worry about finding good formulas, finding packaging, registering if needs be with certain bodies. You don't have to find time and space to make and cure and whatever else goes into making the products. You just simply get them, label them, and they're ready to go onto your shelves, into gift packs, onto your website, anything else like that. Now, the first product I did put into the white label range were lip balms, and a huge thank you to those of you who have already been registered for your white label access and have been ordering those lip balms. I've really enjoyed seeing some of the labels you guys have created with them. It's just so much fun to see that's like my work turning into someone else's work. It's a really good thing to see. So thank you for those of you who have been already buying the lip balms, and I hope your customers are loving them too. With the lip balms, there are choices. So there is basically something there to suit all businesses. I offer them in both white and black tubes and do both my beeswax and my rice bran vegan friendly formulas. Both of those formulas are used within the Soy and Shea business. So they have been tried and tested over a number of years and are loved by my customers, and I actually have a lot of return customers coming back for those lip balms. So you can rest assured it is a great recipe that goes out in those lip balms. And there are also over 20 different flavors that you can choose from, including 100% natural flavorings. So if the branding of your business is natural vegan products, we can definitely do that with the rice bran formula and the 100% natural flavorings to go into the lip balm. So there's definitely something there for everyone, and I will be growing the flavour range as well over time because it is proving to be very popular. But anyhow, it is now time to start expanding upon this white label range, and as you've just seen, I have just finished wrapping up some soaps. These are little soap bundles that consist of 5 soaps. This one that you saw me wrapping up is the rainbow soap scented in black raspberry vanilla, and these are about to head onto the website. In fact, they are now on the website when this video goes out and ready for other small businesses to come and grab. All right, so what do we have available in the soaps? I probably went a little bit overboard considering I am just starting out on this, but I have 17 different soaps for you to choose from. And again, there are options for different styles of businesses. I do have the very popular soap within my range, which is the goat's milk and oatmeal soap, which is unscented. So that's the only unscented one we have in the range, which is why I have an odd number of soaps, because then I have 8, which are the natural range. They are scented with essential oils and have natural colorants of things like clays, minerals, botanicals, that sort of thing. So I do have my very, very popular calamine soap. I do this in my range. It's super popular, so I've offered it as part of the wholesale range as well. And then I've done like super special ones, the lemon and lavender. So we've got some purple clay and indigo in the bottom, and then we've got some turmeric across the top and a nice lemony sort of essential oil blend. And then we go into those really fun, bright, vibrant soaps. We've got 8 of these ones. This one was the one you saw me wrapping, which is rainbow, scented with black raspberry vanilla. And again, I've done some of my really popular ones, including, not that one, that's a special one. This is the sandalwood and clove soap, and I actually put sandalwood powder through it, which really helps to anchor the scent into this soap and gives it a little bit more earthiness compared to the fragrance oil by itself. And it also gives a real slight exfoliation throughout the soap. It's absolutely beautiful, very popular in my range. I get a lot of people asking me for sandalwood soap, and the best bit is when I say it's got that sandalwood powder in it, not just the scent. People absolutely love it. I also do have things like the aloe vera and cucumber, which features aloe vera, which I grow at home, and fresh cucumber. And then we've got a couple of others in here. I have done persimmon and white lily, beautiful scent, very, very strong as well. So there's definitely soaps in here to suit everyone. I even have, I just spotted it, the pine tar soap as well, because this is another really popular soap that some people actually don't like making because there can be issues with accelerating, but I have actually got that available in the range too. So there, as I said, there are 17 different soaps to choose from, and they are all bundled into blocks of 5. So there's 5 soaps in this block, and I wrap them up just to make sure that sometimes when you ship things like that, the scents can kind of cross-contaminate with each other. So I've made sure to wrap them all up so you know exactly what soaps are in here. You've also got the ingredients listed on here. You can copy and paste them off the website as well, but in these little bundles. And the more bundles of 5 that you purchase, the cheaper the soaps actually become for you to buy. So you can either get a bigger profit margin, or you can simply sell them at a cheaper price to try and pull more customers into you that way as well. So we've got all of those on there. Now, one of the things about how I've also been choosing to do this, because my Patreon members know I've really been procrastinating about how to offer the wholesale soaps without making people wait for weeks before they get them, because if you're anything like me, you get a little bit, oh, when's the mailman coming sort of thing. So I didn't want people having to wait for weeks, and I also wanted to be able to offer it for those people who have been given the opportunity to go to something last minute where they can come and grab their wholesale stock. Basically what I have done is I have pre-made they are all made, they're wrapped, they're ready to go on the website, and the website will show you exactly how much stock I have of any given bundle of soap at a time. And then if I have actually sold out of that particular soap bar, once it comes down to 0, the description underneath the stock changes to out of stock, back order, expect shipping delays. So it could mean that when soaps are, getting low, I will make new batches, pop them onto the cure rack. They could be a week off curing, 2 weeks, could be 4 or 5 weeks before they're ready to cure. But it does give you that sort of knowledge that, say you have been invited to go to a market in 3 weeks' time and you've just not got enough soap, so you want to get some soap in quick, you can jump onto the website, and as long as it says a number of stock level that I have got on the website, you know that it is in stock, it is ready to go. If you are not worried about the time frame and something is saying out of stock, back order, that's fine, you can order it too. You just know that there's going to be a delay in sending your order out. But I do feel that this is going to be something a little bit different to what so many other people have on offer, because most other makers, it is anywhere from a 2 to a 5 week turnaround, even 6 and 8 weeks I've seen as wholesale turnaround. But hopefully we'll be able to keep on top of the stock, and you'll always know what is in stock ready to ship out to you. So super excited about how all of this is coming together. Now, if you are here in Australia, a small business, and you are interested in either the soaps or the lip balm, the best way to do it is to actually jump onto the Soy and Shea website. You need to create an account and then let me know your business name so that I can actually attach the white label access to your account. If you don't have access to it, you just get the welcome page come up. But as soon as I grant you access to that page, then you can see what I've actually got available for sale within that section. Now, on just a little bit of a side note, I do have some Pamper Club members who are also other small businesses. Unfortunately, all Pamper Club discounts do not apply to the white label section because it's already very heavily discounted. So if you are wanting access to that white label section and you are a Pamper Club member, you actually do need to create a second business account for me to be able to give you access to that page. But that's just on the side of things. So once you do actually have access to get into that white label section, you'll be able to see all the soaps and the lip balms, and there is even a builder soap in there for you as well. Now, the builder soap that is in the white label section is just that little bit cheaper, just to give you that more of the profit margins, but you do have to wait that 4 to 5 weeks for the builder soap to be ready to send out to you. So if you are ordering a combination of ready-made and the builder soap, you do need to wait until that builder soap is ready to be sent out before getting that order, or you pay 2 lots of shipping. It's up to you how you actually do that. But that is just for anyone who is keen on that builder soap. If you have a soap that you want for your business that I don't make, you can go ahead and get those soaps made for you. Now, going to my website is just one of the ways you can access the white label products. I do also have a Faire account, so F-A-I-R-E. And at the moment, only the lip balms are listed on Faire. Definitely can't do that builder soap on the Faire account. They just don't have the facilities to be able to do it. But I do have the lip balms currently listed there, and I'm working out the logistics of getting all of the soaps listed on there as well, because I really want to be able to make sure that we've got consistent stock levels and I know exactly what's there, so you know exactly what to order when it comes to doing things like that. But I will slowly get the soaps onto Faire as well. However, there are incentives for you to come directly to me at Soy and Shea to get your wholesale white label items, simply because Faire charge me massive commissions for you to go through them, especially if you are a brand new customer that discovers me through the Faire platform without using any of my links. So if you do actually prefer to shop on Faire, because they do have their own really good bonuses and things, please use my links to go over onto the Faire site, which are on my website, just to help reduce the amount of commission that I then have to pay to Faire. But I do actually have some really good incentives for you to stay on my website. The first is that I have a lower minimum order amount than what is set on Faire, and I also offer a flat rate. I do actually offer flat rate shipping on both my website and Faire, but it is cheaper on my website. Again, it all comes down to commissions and everything else, so it's cheaper to do that on my website. And I also have a free shipping threshold, again, on both my website and Faire, but on my website it is a much lower threshold to get hold of that free shipping. And there's also things like when you are ordering the lip balms, when you order the either 20 or 50s, or in any of the boxes, the 100, 200 and 300 boxes, I also include samples for you, like the little sample pots for people to have a smell, whereas on Faire you have to purchase your sample pots, because again, there's just no fair way of sort of getting them on there. But I do highly recommend actually staying on the Soy and Shea website to get the bonuses that I can offer to you. And as I said, at the moment the soaps are only available on the Soy and Shea website. And as I said before, to get access to them, you just create an account. Send me a message with your business name, and then I can grant you access. Now, just keep in mind, if you're doing it late at night, I might not be able to do it till the next day, but if you're actually sending me that message during business hours, I get onto it very quickly so you can get access into it. Now, I do have one question that I have been asked about wholesale soaps that I want to clear up. And that is whether or not you have to register with ACIS if you are buying wholesale soaps. ACIS is the Australian Industrial Chemical Introduction Scheme, and this is something each year we have to register with the body to declare the number of chemicals that we are introducing or making within our business. And it does confuse a lot of people, because a lot of people think, well, I'm just making soap. But at the end of the day, when we make soap, we are taking oil and your alkaline solution, be it sodium or potassium hydroxide or a mix of both. We're blending those two together, and we're actually creating a whole brand new chemical, a salt chemical, but we are actually creating a brand new chemical. Most soap makers understand the fact that when you actually mix it right, there's no sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide left in that soap, because it's all being converted with the oils, and that's because it's being converted into a brand new chemical. And that's why Australian soap makers, within certain sort of aspects of making soap, are required to register with ACIS. Now, the idea is that those chemicals only need to be declared once. And given that I am the person who is creating, let's pick one of these soaps here so you can see a different one. Given that I am the person creating this soap, I am the person creating this chemical, I am the one that needs to register with ACES and declare that chemical has been made. So you as the purchaser do not need to register with ACES unless you're making your own soaps, unless you're making your own chemicals or importing chemicals from overseas, and you doing it directly. You do not need to register with ACES if you are purchasing wholesale soap, because if you do and you declare this soap, basically we've doubled the amount of chemicals which have been made in Australia, so you don't need to register with them. So that's a really important question I get asked all the time. The answer is no, you do not need to register with ACES if you are purchasing the soaps wholesale. But there it is. I do have a couple more soaps to go and pull off the cure rack and get wrapped up into their little bundles. But by the time this video goes out, the wholesale white label soaps will be available on the website along with those lip balms. I'm hoping you're as excited about it as me. And as I said, if you are a business and you want to take advantage of that builder soap, that is in there as well. Just remember there is a minimum order requirement to get that cheaper bundle or builder soap. I think it's about, what was it, $150 you have to spend to be able to get your wholesale orders to go through. But anyhow, I hope you're as excited about it as I am, and have enjoyed coming along with me. If you did, why not leave me a thumbs up, any comments down below, and until the next video comes out, I hope you have a good one. I'll see you then. Bye.